Alright, boys and girls, we're going to do a quick lesson here on how to draw different music notes. We're going to do 4 different notes today. First things first, let's fold our paper into 4 sections. So we're going to fold this way first. And then let's fold that in half this way. That'll give us 4 equal sections of our paper. Okay, now I'm going to unfold it, and if you want, you can go ahead and write the lines in. I don't think I'll need to do that, so I can leave it like that. And we're going to start with our top section here. We're going to start with the quarter note. This is one of the first notes we learn, right? We're going to start with what's called the note head. The note head, guys, is like this. It's just basically kind of like a bean, right? Then we're going to draw the stem. The stem goes on the right side, just like that. Not on this side. The stem always goes on the right side here. Then a quarter note has a colored in note head. This is a quarter note. I'm going to make another one so you guys can see better. Note head first, and then the stem on the right side. So I want you guys to practice making this. Let's write down what it's called. I should have done that first. Quarter note. Q, U, A, R, T, E, R, N, O, T, E. I'd like for you guys to also write in your notes this. A quarter note is 1 beat. So you guys go ahead, we'll pause this video, and you can keep making quarter notes and write in your notes as well. All right, guys, moving on. Let's go to this section, and we have the half note. H, A, L, F, N, O, T, E. Half note. The half note, same thing. Very similar to the quarter note, guys. We're going to do a note head and a stem on the right side of the note head going up. But the half note, we leave the note head empty. So just to make another one for you. Note head. And the stem on the right side goes up. So I want you to practice making some half notes. Also, write in, a half note is twice as long as the quarter note. Meaning, if it's twice as long, it's going to be not 1 beat, but 2 beats. So let's write in 2 beats. 2 beats. Go ahead and practice and make a few half notes. All right, guys, moving on. Let's go down here. Down here, let's do what are called eighth notes. So it's going to be E, I, G, H, T, H, N, O, T, E, S. We're going to say notes because we're going to draw more than one. So eighth notes, we're going to draw kind of like a quarter note. We have the note head. I should have drawn it like this and then filled it in. We have 2 note heads next to each other. My stem goes up on the right side. Same thing. My stem goes up on the right side. But now we're going to connect these with a beam like that. Let me show you that again. We have a note head and a note head right next to each other. I color them in. The stem goes up on the right side. Stem goes up on the right side. and we connect with a beam. Now, boys and girls, the tricky thing about eighth notes is that they can be connected or they can be disconnected. Let me show you what I mean. We have another note head, another note head. The stem goes up, the stem goes up, but these are going to be disconnected. So I'm just going to put a flag. A flag. There's still two eighth notes here, but they are disconnected. So I want you to be able to practice making connected eighth notes and disconnected eighth notes. And an eighth note by itself, this one here, just this eighth note, is equal to a half beat. And we'll talk more about that another day, but for today we're just practicing drawing them. We're practicing recognizing them. And last but not least, guys, we're going to move on to the whole note. W-H-O-L-E N-O-T-E. The whole note. Guys, this is the hardest note to draw. It's so hard. It's so hard. That's all it is. It's just a note head. A note head by itself is called a whole note. I'm going to draw another one. You do want to make it kind of flat like this. So go ahead and practice a few whole notes. And a whole note is worth 2 times the half note. So it doubles again. So 2 times 2 is, that's right, 4 beats. So if you guys look at my whole page, I have my quarter notes, my half notes, my eighth notes, and my whole notes. I want to see you guys with more practicing on this, 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 and this. You should have at least 6 of each, okay? Practice making those, guys, and I have a little assignment for you in the Google slide to finish with this assignment. Thank you, guys. We'll see you next time.